Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Nils at Idaho Pulse and Boise Premier Real Estate. And today I want to get into a market update for the city of Boise. So as you probably know, even if you've never been to Idaho before, Boise is the capital, obviously, and it's the most populated city in Idaho. So this is kind of like the benchmark. Everyone says I moved to Boise, even though you moved, to Nampa or something like that. So this is the spot. So this is the biggest place. And the market's doing really well in Boise. And so I kind of wanted to go over the numbers and let you know kind of what the actual numbers are for the area, how long homes are sitting before they sell, how many homes are active, how many homes are pending or contingent, that kind of thing. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. This channel is going to help you out a lot. If you have any real estate transactions you're thinking about doing, maybe you're thinking about moving to the area or you're looking at 5 different places and this is just one of them and you're kind of trying to see which place you want to go visit. This channel could help you out. We go visit homes in the area and neighborhoods and kind of give you insight into what's going on. So anyways, hopefully you enjoy this video. Let's get into the market update for the city of Boise right now. All right, so for the city of Boise, let's get into that right now. So this data is going to be a lot of sold data because you can't get sold data unless you're a real estate agent or some kind of real estate professional with MLS access. This is a non-disclosure state, so that's important for you to know that because when you look online at data, it is only listed data. They don't have access to the numbers on Zillow or something like that. So it's super important to understand that if you're looking at homes, you need to talk to a real estate agent like myself. We can give you the actual numbers, but this market update should give you enough information to be able to make an informed decision on what direction to go in. So let's get into that data right now. All right, so for Boise, from the 1st of July to the 1st of August, we had 344 homes that actually sold and closed escrow during that month time period. 10 days was the median days on market, which is absolutely phenomenal. That's way, way, way lower than what would constitute going into like a balanced market. So anything less than 90 days on market is technically by the books considered a seller's market. $500,000 is the median sold value. Now getting into stuff that's actually on the market, homes that are on the market right now, as of August 8th, which is when this data was pulled, we had 682 homes that were actually active for sale that you could go look at and put an offer in on. And then 360 homes were pending or contingent, so they had already accepted an offer and taken kind of off the market until it closes escrow. So that gives you perspective on how the market's doing. Just like all my other market updates, I like to give you kind of an idea on how it's trending. The last time I looked at this data, which is about a month to a month and a half ago roughly, we were at about 8 days on market. Now we're at 10. So it's slowing down a little bit, but honestly, for the fact that the interest rates have kind of gone up a little bit, it really hasn't slowed it down a lot. And that's attributed a lot, in my opinion, to the fact that people aren't selling their homes like they were. If you have a home that's 3% interest rate and you have to sell it and move to another home that has a 7 or a 6.5%, whatever it is you're going to get, it's a huge problem for people. Unless you have to move, you're probably going to hold on longer. And so I think that's kind of slowing the market down as far as the prices falling because there's just not enough inventory online. If everybody sold their home at once or put it on the market, I should say, everybody came in, there would be more inventory than the demand and the price would start to fall. We just haven't had that happen yet. The market fell a little bit from its peak, but it just hasn't fallen enough. The market's still really, really good and homes are still selling very fast. I mean, 10 days is extremely fast. So if that gives you some kind of an idea, if you're looking at moving to the city of Boise or somewhere near it, Meridian's doing really similar. Eagle's a little bit slower, but not a ton slower. I think it was 30 something days on market. And then Star was about 50 something days. So, if you're looking at somewhere close to Boise or in Boise, that kind of gives you an idea the market's still very, very good. If you have any questions specifically, you can always leave a comment. I would encourage you to ask questions if you have any. I'm happy to answer those. Or if you have something specifically you want to talk to me directly, you can either call me on the phone, which is 208-789-4200, or you can drop me an email at nils@idahopulse.com. And of course, the website for my business is idahopulse.com. So anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I really appreciate you joining me on this market update, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.